Are you always hearing your kids complaining, I don't want to play piano, I don't want to study music, I don't want to practice singing, it's boring. Today, I'm going to give you 5 reasons why your kids, they want to quit their music lesson. So at the end of this video, you understand how you can help them to say yes to music and enjoy their learning process. Hi, my name is Marco. I'm a musicologist, a composer, and most of all, I'm a music educator. I love kids, I love music, and I love teaching. And I love learning when I start to understand what learning means. I said before, 5 reasons why your kids, they want to quit their music lesson. First of all, they don't see the point. Why they should do that? Why they should play music? No one else is doing it. That's the point. They don't get it. And here, there is a second reason. They feel alone. Because practicing music, it's something that happens in their room, in front of the piano, violin, or whatever instruments they are learning. And they are alone. While their friends, they are outside, maybe playing football or playing their video games, they are practicing music. And it's boring. I know. It's boring. Why? Because they don't understand it. Music is a language. How many times people tell you, I would like to see my kid express himself with the piano, with music, or relaxing? Can you express yourself in a language that you don't know? Your kids are the same. If someone asked me, express yourself, express your thoughts, your ideas in German, I don't speak German. So how can I do that? I can do it in Italian, in English a little bit, but I cannot do it in German. So that's the point. They don't understand it. Then we are at the fourth reason. They don't have fun. Today is everything. It's about having fun. Video games, having fun. Watching videos, having fun. Play football, of course, having fun. How can you have fun with the piano? How can you have fun studying and practicing music? Again, they don't see the point. And then the last and the most important one, because it's hard. Kids today, they think that everything is accessible, easily accessible. I just see a tutorial somewhere, or I just can follow some instruction, and I'm able to do everything. The problem that this is not life. Whatever we want to do needs struggling, right? So they need to learn how to process these difficulties. Through what? Through the enjoyment, through knowing that what they are going to do is something that is unique. It can be magical, it can be an incredible adventure. And this is the key. Learning, whatever you're learning, is an adventure. You need to explore new countries. You can explore new kingdoms, new games, exactly like a video game. What I like to do with my kids is first of all play. In Italian, we have 2 words to say play music. We say suonare and giocare. Giocare is playing with the toys. Suonare is playing an instrument. I think that the English has a very, very important point when he's using the same word, the same verb, to say 2 things that actually can be the same. And then here is the key. Kids, they need to have fun because they see the purpose. And the purpose is to learn, yes, this new language. This is a universal language. Whatever your country you're coming from, you can learn how to play an instrument in order to play with your friends. Second point, remember, they feeling alone. Yes, but music is something that has to evolve and explode on a stage. This stage can be the living room of your house, or can be a real stage in a big theater. The process. They need to learn how to speak music first. How can you learn to speak music? Exactly like when you're learning how to speak a new language. And the kids, they are super, super, I say, naturally smart in learning a new language. They get it, they understand, they absorb the meaning. And music has a meaning, always. With a chord that can make you laugh, with a chord that can make you cry, with a melody I can move your feeling. And kids, they know it, they feel it, they just don't know how to do that. So it's up to you to try to be with them in that journey. I'm talking to you as a teacher. Teachers, they a lot of time they make the same mistake. They are just teaching them just the basic because it's easier or it's a saver. Parents, you must understand the process of learning music. And this process is acquire a small skill and then immediately apply it to a new song, to uh, a video game. Something that kids they love is to play music along a video games. Now there are a lot of videos that you can see the hands playing on the piano, and while they're playing, there are these stripes of lights. Then they are jumping and hitting the keyboards. It's an amazing, easy way how to visualize the music. That is another tool, amazing. And I will show you in other videos how you can utilize these new technologies. But the first step is start this journey with your kid together. Sit down together with him. Try to play along with him. Let them learn how to speak music. The only way is they need to speak music exactly in the way they are speaking their own language. How they communicate with their friends through video games, through their interest, through what they like the most, not what the teacher said that they have to play, or you parents that you will like them to play. I don't know which kind of classical music that they think you think or everybody thinks is very important. No, forget it. It's now we are living in a different time. They need to start from what they know, and then they will appreciate all the rest of beautiful art, beautiful music, beautiful piano sonata or violin sonata that Beethoven wrote or Mozart wrote. I'm not telling that they are not important. The problem they're too far from us, too far, especially from them. If they want to play Barbie, they need to play Barbie. If they want to play, I don't know, Power Rangers, Paw Patrol, Peppa Pig, it's fine. It's music. It's just an amount of notes that a composer, someone who knows how to speak music, put together in order to give a new experience, a new feeling, a new enjoyment to the listener. And in our case, listener are your kids. So you have to ask to their teacher, can we play the music that they like? Let's start from that music. I'm sure that you ask them the first day, do you want to play piano? And they will say yes. The problem they didn't have any idea of what playing piano means. But for sure they have in mind, they resonate the song that they love, the song of characters that they watch on TV or on their phone or the computer or whatever. So let's go back on that kind of choice to what was that original idea, that original desire to play music because they want to experience the same enjoyment while watching TV or playing the video games. And then you will see they will start to express themselves through music in a matter of a few weeks. So I told you 5 reasons why your kids they want to quit their music lesson. Now I'm giving you one super simple solution. Just let them play what they like. It will help you to bring back original desire to start to play music. Or they are starting to play together with their friends because they want to show them that they can play that melodies that or the tunes, those tunes that everybody knows, everybody loves, but that's no one is able to play it. So make your son or your daughter be the first one in the classroom that they are able to play the latest song or the Grammy Award, I don't know who, whatever they like. So they will learn how to speak music from what they love the most. Now, you know the reason why your kids want to quit their music classes. Most importantly, now you know how you could overcome it. So if you have any questions, please write in the comments. And if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, press like, and see you to the next video.